Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. First, let's rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, we must eliminate a negative sign in front of x. So, let's divide both sides of the equation by -1. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we divide one side of the equation by a number, we must divide the other side of the equation by the same number. After dividing them by -1, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 9 divided by -1 is -9. Now, this tells us that x is equal to -9. So, the answer is x equals -9.